Hi, in this introduction video, I will talk about Vulkan in a high-level overview. When we start to develop for Vulkan, the first thing we will need is the Vulkan instance. The instance is the first most basic level for communicating with Vulkan. Since Vulkan is extendable, we can create the instance with certain extensions of Vulkan. We can also control the validation layers, which are useful for debugging. And lastly and most importantly, we can see the physical devices that are available on the system. After we pick a physical device, we can then create a logical device around it. And with that, allocate some queues. In these queues, we will send commands to be executed. After that, we need a surface to draw to. This surface is not a core part of Vulkan, but an extension. And between the surface and our logical device, we will set up a swap chain. This swap chain will control how many frames we have and how they are sent for rendering. Each frame has to pass through something called a graphics pipeline. The graphics pipeline will render on top of the frame. After that, the frame can be sent to the surface. All of these operations are requested by command buffers, which are connected to the respective queues. Through commands, we can request a frame to pass through the graphics pipeline, and we can request the frame to be drawn. And lastly, we can use memory buffers inside the pipeline. Memory buffers are a sort of memory that is usually uploaded to the GPU, and we request the GPU to render using those buffers. Uploading and rendering again happens through the logical device and command buffers, of course. This is pretty much what we will do with Vulkan in this course. See you in the next lesson.